G'day. The last couple of weeks has seen a real change in season. Down beside the back waterhole, I found a spider out in its web during the day. The web has seen better days, but the spider was busy devouring a fly. They are generally referred to as garden spiders and tend to hide during the day and only emerging at night. This one has built its web near water, I guess to better trap insects coming to drink. Early autumn sees the sweet Bassaria, Bassara spinosa, flowering here. The profuse white flowers and strong sweet smell attract lots of insects. At this time of year there is usually very little else flowering, and it becomes a mecca for all nectar lovers. The name Spinosa says it all. This plant has razor-sharp spines and is a great habitat for small birds. The eastern spinebill, a honeyeater, is common here. Often they are hard to film because they always seem to be on the move, but this one is having a nice long grooming session. I'm always amazed at how small birds like this can turn their heads right around, and it seems to be able to reach everywhere with that long bill. With no rain for over a month, it is very, very dry. But finally some storms appear. The rain continues into the next day. You can almost hear the forest breath after such a long wait. The dry earth is sucking up every drop of rain that falls. With the moisture, insects that have been hiding deep in the earth emerge. The kookaburra takes advantage, hopping backwards and forwards, grabbing food. The rain triggered a mayfly emergence. They swarm in spirals late in the day, all hoping to find a mate. Clouds of them twisting upwards as they dissipate, only to reform and do it all again, backlit by the evening light. I find there is something almost mesmerising about their dance, and spend way too long just watching this aerial ballet. Until next week.